Hi Thrupthi, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I am going to take feedback video from you. Can you introduce yourself?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am Thrupthi. I am from Tumkur. Now I am staying in Bangalore. I have completed my degree in civil engineering at Tumkur HMSIT College, and I have completed my diploma in civil engineering at HMSIT, and my SLC. I have completed my SSLC at Shantala High School, Chiknali.
Okay, that's good. Like, how do you know about our CMTI?
Ma'am, first of all, I don't know what I am taken next after engineering. My friends suggested this institution, then I will take.
Okay, that's good. Like in CMTI, what course you have taken, Thrupthi?
IDM, interior design.
Interior Design Management. Good. And in Interior Design Management, which and all topics have you learned?
Interior designing, I will learn AutoCAD, Sketchup, Revit.
Okay, you have gone for various sites and showrooms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For which and all showrooms you have visited?
Design Cafe, and Glam Homes Interior, and Srishti Interiors and
Okay, that's nice. And you have, for which role you have selected?
design.
Designer. Okay. In interview, what and all procedures you have faced in the placements and interviews?
First, they are asked introduce yourself, and then they are asked for AutoCAD SketchUps at least.
How is CMTI supported towards the placement to crack the interview?
First of all, before I don't have any knowledge interior and SketchUp AutoCAD also. When I came this institute, then I will get good knowledge about AutoCAD, SketchUp.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how is the trainers and all support towards you?
Good, ma'am. They are supported. First, I will attend one interview. I'm not selected that company. Then they are encouraged. Next, you can do. Next, you can attend the next interview.
Okay, that's nice. And how is the coordinators and all supported towards your career?
Good communication skill, ma'am. Actually, coordinator and students. Good communication. Good communication is.
Okay, like you have used our CMTI app, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in how would CMTI have helped you to the career and for the interview?
ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು.
Okay. Like how is the Ashok sir supported towards your course and interview?
Good, ma'am, because sometimes told project and how to communicate it, interviews.
Thank you, Thrupthi, and congratulations for your placement and completing the course in CMTI. Have a bright future, Thrupthi.
Thank you.
Thank you.